Hi, it's Chad from Chimu. People always ask us what sort of gear you should pack for a polar trip, so I thought I'd just talk you through it. So I'll start at the bottom. I've got on here rubber boots. Just about every ship provides those rubber boots for you, so you don't need to bring them. You can just wear your normal shoes on board the ship. I just normally wear reasonably regular socks underneath. If it's a really cold day, so I'm talking -5, 10 degrees, then I'll wear some really woolly socks. Otherwise, on top of that, I always have some gore-tex trousers. These are very important. The windproof layer on the top is probably the most important part of the gear. The katabatic winds that come down off the glaciers can cut right through you. So that's very important. If it's a cold day, I'll also wear thermal underwear underneath, just for that little bit of extra warmth. On the torso, if it's a cold day, I'll have thermal underwear there too. Merino thermal underwear is the best. Then on top of that, sometimes a shirt. One fleece, I'll have one fleece under here at the moment, then a outer shell. It's about the onion theory down here in, well, Antarctica or the Arctic. It's just about having different layers. If you have a really thick jacket, it can be great in a really cold environment, but then when the sun comes out and it's a bit warmer, you can't do anything about it. So just having multiple layers means you can take one off and still be okay, or put an extra one on. For gloves, I use a merino wool inner, which is also great when you're taking photos and things like that. You know, you can actually use your digits inside these things. It's not so good. The gloves, I recommend gore-tex gloves as well. And like everything else, it's having that windproof layer on the outside. The two work together really well. On your head, you can either wear a beanie, and I also suggest some sort of a scarf or neck warmer as well. Or like me, I've got my replica Mawson's Hut balaclava, but something that keeps both the neck and the head warm. Sometimes you need ski goggles when it's inclement weather, you know, really thick snow, but most of the time just sunglasses is fine. Sunscreen's also important because the sun can actually come out, so a bit of sunscreen on the face. So I hope that was helpful. All the best with your trip.